Hello, in this video I want to show you how to extract RAR and ZIP archives on Samsung Galaxy S23 Plus. To do this, you'll need to open a RAR app. I've shown you previously on how to download it. Now let's locate the files that we're gonna unpack. Here's the camera.rar, which we need to click on. Select each of the files to unpack and then click on the arrow pointing up button. You'll enter extraction options. You can change any of the options if you want. I'm just gonna go with browse to pick a different designation for the files. I want them unpacked in a movies folder. Click on OK, then click on OK again, and here's the files that we've just unpacked. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.